Hello students, this is Krishano Mitro, Assistant Professor SIEM. So today I will discuss about tidal energy. So as we all know, what is tide? Due to the position of sun, moon and earth, sometime the water level of earth rises and falls. Who have visit the beaches might have noticed that some specific time in a day, the ocean water level start receding, and it recedes up to 20 to 25 meters, and then again it's rise back. So this is a very common phenomena which happen every day two times. This falls and rise of ocean water level is known as tide, and the density of ocean water level is 832 times more than air. So as we know that in case of wind energy, with the help of wind power, we can move the turbine and generate some electricity. In this case also, as the ocean water is 832 times more denser than air, so it can move that turbine more easily. So this is the concept behind using tidal energy. As you can see that in today's the renewable energy sources are becoming more popular. So this is how the tidal energy came into picture, and nowadays it's the rising. So when the ocean water level falls back, at first we have to make a dam. In figure 2 we can see that there is a dam between the ocean and land, and behind the land, dam, we have placed a turbine. So when ocean water level recedes from the beach, we just close the dam door so that no water can get into the land. And when that water start rising, it will just we just open the gate of that dam, and it will start moving the turbine, and this is how we can generate the electricity for a particular period of time. And in figure 3 you can see, when the ocean level again start receding, we again close the dam, and some of water we can block some of water behind the dam. And when the ocean level recedes from the land, we again open the door of the dam, and again the turbine will move, and this is how we can generate again electricity. So as in a day there are two tidal are there, so tides are there, so we can generate electricity 4 times. It can be clear from the picture, figure 1 and figure 2. Okay, there are some other type of there are some other type of turbines are also there. One is French turbine. That's some rotor are placed inside the ocean, and the generator is connected with a rod. When the ocean water is start flowing, it will move, and it will move the generator, and we can generate the electricity. In figure 5 there is a turbine is there, which is almost like the wind turbine, and it is also move the generator, which is placed beneath the ocean, and when the water will flow, it will move the turbine, and the turbine will move the generator, and this is how we can generate the electricity. So these are the few techniques are there. In figure 2 we can see there is a dam, and inside the dam there is a gate and a turbine. When the ocean water level start receding, we will close the door, and when it will again start when the water start coming to the land, we just open the door of the dam and it will move the turbine. This is what we have seen in the figure 2. In figure 3, after the ocean level came into level, and then after it will start receding again, we will just close the door, and after some time we will open the door and to relocate the water, and it will again move the turbine and it will generate the electricity. In figure 4, there are some mills are there which is connected to a turbine via a rod, and the turbine is placed in the top of the ocean, and when water will flow, it will move the turbine and will generate the electricity. In figure 5, there is a rotator like wind power rotor, and it will move the turbine when the water will flow, and it will generate electricity. So this is how we can generate electricity with the tidal power. So this is the basic concept behind tidal energy, that how we can generate electricity using tidal power. That's it. Thank you.